Well, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim's here. In today's video, I have some positive news in regards to NIO Stock as well as CCIV, which is a SPAC that is rumored to be merging with Lucid Motor sometime in the first half of 2021. By the way, for those of you who are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family as we talk about high growth stocks, EV stocks, and other investing strategies. I also left some links below under the like button for you to get some free stocks with Webull. I believe currently they're having another promotion from January 15th till the end of January, so that way you get 4 free stocks with Webull valuing anywhere between $21 up to $3,700, as well as M1 Finance. They're also having another promotion. If you haven't signed up for M1 Finance, you get up to $30 of fund when you deposit $100 into that platform. So the same thing with Webull. If you deposit $100, you also get the 4 free stocks. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, first let's talk about CCIV, or Churchill Capital Stock. This stock is on absolute fire. Over the last 1 week, this stock went up 84%, and it was largely due to the fact that it is rumored to be merging with Lucid Motors. I already made a video about it last week, so if you want to and you haven't seen it, go ahead and watch it here. But anyways, long story short, Lucid Motor is planning to go public in April or later this year, and they're planning to ship their first electric vehicle in spring 2021. So that is coming up really quick. And if you take a look at Churchill Capital right now, it is trading at $18.48. But a week ago, on Monday, last Monday, it was hovering around $10 a share. So it went up over 84%. Thank you, Eddie, for sending me a lot of articles about this stock. So if you're watching this, thanks again. There's more rumors and there is more evidence this deal could potentially happen. And one of the evidence that I found, again, is not related to Lucid Motor at all, but there is this ETF, or exchange traded fund. This is the first actively managed SPAC exchange traded fund. The ticker symbol for this ETF is SPCX, and let's take a look at their holding. One of their biggest holding at the moment is CCIV, Churchill Capital 4, and I believe this is from Twitter. Someone tweeted, I don't know who, it was a screenshot that was sent to me on Instagram, but he said that last Friday, right, the Friday before, it was only the CCIV holding in this ETF was only 5.59%, but now it has increased to 8.54%. And if you take a look at the share, they have over 250,000 shares of CCIV. I've been following this guy on Twitter, Alex Cutler. He's been very good at providing information and collaborating with other people. Some of them are really insane with their tracking. I mean, a couple tweets ago, I think last Friday, they were tracking flights or something. Maybe take a look at his page. He tweeted about someone, his username is Real Earthman, and he actually somehow was able to track down some of the executive or board member of Lucid. I don't know the actual story, but what I'm saying is that they actually found out there was a private jet going from San Jose airport to Phoenix airport, then Teterboro. Anyways, San Jose City airport, which is actually where I am living, is the closest to Lucid headquarters, and Phoenix, Arizona is where Lucid factory is located. Teterboro, I don't know how to say that city, is where Churchill headquarters is at. In that tweet, he said, "This is way too insane to be a coincidence. The deal gets done this week." Again, this is just rumor. From what I read, it's not actually the executive or the CEO of Lucid Motor meeting at Churchill Capital headquarters. It was just like a family or something. Anyways, they said that either way, today was fun. Great work to Mad Mix. So if you guys want, you can follow them on Twitter. But today, Alex Cutler has tweeted another tweet. The California-based EV maker is in the process of completing its manufacturing facility in Casa Grande, Arizona, and is looking to tie up the loose end on a SPAC that could be valued as much as $15 billion. So that's pretty cool. Again, nothing is official. Both party has not confirmed yet because there are a lot of evidence pointing to both of these company going through a reverse merger, which will happen most likely in the next couple months. We don't have the official date just yet, guys. Nothing is confirmed, so when I do have the date, I will try to make the video as soon as possible. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on my video. In my personal opinion, I believe it will go through in the next couple months. But you know, this video is just for fun and entertainment purpose only, guys. Remember that. It's not for financial advice. But hey, if this deal goes through and this all pan out the way we expect it to, this stock CCIV could be going up to 25 to 35 easily in the next couple months. Okay, now let's talk about NIO stock, because over a week and a half ago I made a video about why NIO stock could explode, but I also warned you guys that it could have a correction of 10 to 20%. But I gotta warn you guys, after a week or two, you know, after NIO day, I mean, NIO stock could drop and have a correction anywhere between 10 to 20%, because that's usually what happened, you know, after the hype, the momentum, usually the stock correct itself. And this is NIO cat. It's my cat Miso. I mean, the last time he appeared, you know, NIO stock went up like 8%. So hopefully this time around NIO cat will help NIO stock go up to $65 next week. So if you take a look at NIO stock at the moment, Friday, it actually dropped over 8%. It is trading at $56.18 over the last 1 week. NIO stock dropped about 13.5%, which was right around my prediction. I said 10 to 20%. At one point on Monday or Tuesday, I believe NIO actually peaked at around $66.99, and that has became their 52 weeks high. If you take a look at NIO stock over the last 3 months, it still has gone up over 92%. The support line was like around $40, but with this news and this new momentum, I believe that NIO just have another support line around 55 or maybe 50. It might dip a little bit more next week. The reason why it dipped, I believe, is because of probably big institution just sell off their share and take profit. And speaking of big institutional investor, I found an article yesterday on January 17. Big contrarian investors sold Apple, Intel, and Microsoft stock, and here's what they bought. Hexavest of Montreal slashed each of their position in Apple, Intel, and Microsoft stock by about a third, and initiated a relative nominal stake in the Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO in the fourth quarter. So every time these big institutional investor make big purchase of a certain shares of certain company, they have to disclose it in the SEC, and this is a good sign. Now more of these big institutional investor jumping in and buying NIO after this dip. I think it's wise for some of us to do the same. I actually picked up some more shares of NIO. If NIO dipped to $50 a share within the next week, I'll definitely pick up some more. So if you guys want to read more, I'll leave the link in the video description so you can read the article. In my opinion, this is great news and all that this other big investor, you know, scooping in and buying NIO stock at a discounted price. But other than that, I don't see any other catalysts outside of their next earning, which won't happen until March. I see NIO in the next couple months might be slowly going back up to 65 or maybe higher, but I don't think we'll see another big spike until February or maybe early March, because like I said, that's when they will be releasing their earnings. So if you guys want to stay up to date, and if there's any news or anything major that is related to NIO stock, I'll definitely make video about it. So you guys can just do me a favor and make sure you turn on that bell notification and select all, that way you don't miss any of my videos. My question for you guys is, do you think Lucid Motor will go public through a SPAC? Do you think CCIV is the one? Please drop a like on this video if you find it helpful, and I will see you in my next video.